أغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها, and He brought darkness over its nights, and He brought out its early mornings. This is again, the reference to night and day shouldn't be lost on us. The pharaohs worshipped the sun. And Allah brings the sun to a closed shop every night, and then brings out the morning the next day, meaning their God submits to Allah. وَأَغْطَشَ لَيْلَهَا إِغْطَاشُ اللَّيْلِ إِظْلَامُهُ. Aghtasha means to cause darkness. فُلَاتٌ غَطْشَاء وَغَشَى لَا يُهْتَدَى بِهَا. A desert that is غَطْشَاء means a desert that is completely covered in darkness and you can't find your way. Interestingly enough, غَطَشَ, it also compares to غَمَش, meaning the eye becoming weak. مَشَى رُوَيْدًا مِنْ مَرَضٍ أَوْ كِبَرٍ. When somebody walks slowly because they can barely see. In other words, Allah caused the night to slow everything down and visibility to become less. He did that. وَأَخْرَجَ ضُحَاهَا. And the next morning He brought out its brilliant light. He made everything completely and perfectly visible. I'll show you some of the benefits of this a little bit later on when we talk about the literary qualities of this surah. So إِخْرَاجُ الضُّحَى Imbisatu daw ishams. So bringing out the sun, akhraja duhaha, duha in Arabic, or duha, is when things are most prominent. Meaning like, when the sun is at its brightest, like 10, 11, 12 a.m. At that time, when the sun is beaming at its brightest, that's duha. So Allah is comparing those two contrasts of the night and the day. This is to highlight, how no matter how grand your columns were built, you can't escape. And how beautifully illuminated they look in the day, they're going to be closed down and dark in the night.